first of all, you could preserve that. So you could make fermented carrots, you could make tomato paste, you could make tomato soup and freeze it. But if you wanted to donate it, get to know people who are hungry. It's crazy that we're living in the United States, a first world country, and yet people are actually going hungry. So get to know your food banks, get to know the lower income residents of your neighborhood. It's insane that in 2020 or 2021, there is food insecurity in one of the wealthiest countries in the world. And so that is something that we have control over. And I recommend donating that surplus food or bartering it with neighbors, giving it away to neighbors, giving it away to people walking by. It's really fun to give away the abundance from your garden. It feels really good. It makes your heart feel good. And I would say that that's one of the reasons we should be growing food, is to actively generate abundance so that we can give back to the community.